The hell is so noisy? What's that, the AC or something? What the hell? All right, we're at Westfield Topanga. Let's look around. Heard some of the Foot Lockers have been having some crazy deals. Let's go look. Apparel deals is what I've been told. And look at this, yep. 70% off Clippers gear. All 7 of you Clippers fans can pick up some Clippers gear. These are going for what, $27? 27 bucks. So some Lakers gear right here. Only one thing left, and this is a double XL. This is $27 as well. Oh, they got more stuff right here. Ooh, this is dope. So this is like under $30. That's hella dope. This is a double XL though, obviously not my size, and I don't like that logo either. But yeah, man, they do got them. They do got them. People have been telling me. Do got PG jerseys here as well. Double XL and small. It's been going on for a few days now, so you know, a lot of the stuff is gone, man. Jordan-wise, not seeing too much. New colorway of the Spizike Lows. Have not seen this colorway. Does have the Mars Blackman picture logo on the back. Still got these PSG 312s right here with the PSG branding on the back. $145 for these. These have gone up to $160. Holy cow. Got multiple colorways of these Spizike Lows. Basketball season winding down, so starting to see the Lukas, starting to see the Zions, starting to see them on sale, man. More colorways right here going for $80. More Lukas right here. What are these? The Team Bank colorways? All of them just regular colorways, like made for basketball teams or something. What the hell? What the hell? Then do got some Superstars down to $60. Does have that Adidas logo embossed on the upper. Okay. Got some plain Adidas. I don't even know what the hell these called. What are these called? The Adidas hoops? Adidas hoops? What the hell? They're pretty plain. I guess they're pretty clean. No, they're alright. They're alright. Got some Rivalry Lows right here. Arrival Lows. And look at this. Look at this. Got some nice suede on it. Super fat laces. Doing something different, even though it's kind of the same. So a collab or something? Or is this an AE? Is that an Anthony Edwards collab? Okay. Champs, it does say 70% off clearance. I don't know, let's see. That's a big old sign, man. They better have something. 70 off, man. Let's go. I see a 50% off sign right here. Damn, dog, I don't see nothing that says 70% off. What the hell? I'm looking at every rack here. I don't see nothing. Nothing go for 70% off. What the hell? So 90s right here. This was the 90s, man. The Puma Suede XLs. This is dope, dude. This is what I grew up with. Super fat laces and just, man, this is what I grew up with, dude. Skating influence was huge back then. Tony Hawk Pro Skater. Everybody was playing that. $85 for these. Space Jam 11s. It is official. Readily available. Not difficult to get. I did hear that it did sell out at some spots, some cities, you know, some towns, cities, states, I don't know, but I have been hearing that these haven't been super easy to get. In LA, man, these ain't hard at all. So we've been seeing these, right? Have been seeing these Adidas right here, the Simpsons itchy ones. I don't think I've ever seen these scratchy ones right here. Okay, threw these on some top 10s. Or these are rival highs, my bad. I think these are the rival highs. I don't know what model this is. I think this is the rival high. This is the rival low right here. I think so. Okay. I like the lows better. I've scoured every inch of the store. I haven't seen anything going for 70% off, man. That's some BS, doggies. That's some BS, man. Huge sign says up to 70% off. Not seeing it. Border's been having some interesting stuff, man. No SB Dunks here today. Okay, I'm stupid. No, they do got a pair. This is the one where you scratch off the upper and then it turns red. I think they might have multiple sizes because usually they mark when they only have 1 or 2 sizes left. Can't believe they have these here, man. These are dope, dude. They're dope. Not for me though. Not for me. I'm good. I'm chilling on stuff right now. The 480s, I think these are the ones that look hella clean right now. Look at this. Look at this. This is a New Balance 480. Super clean, super clean. I like that color blocking. I like the material they use. These are dope. What are they going for? $99.99, so they're not expensive. Yeah, they look dope. They look dope. Like, they use a bunch of different colors. Okay. Got black and white right here. Black and sale right here if that's what you want. And they got these as well. These are what, the 1010? Right here, Thiago Limas, I believe. It's a signature athlete for that one. Those are going for 110. They got the Telford lows right here. These are 30% off right here. These are pretty nice. I don't like the color blocking on these, but I do like that silhouette that Lakai makes. These 30% off as well. And they got a bunch of the GT, the Grant Taylor blazers right here. Some are 30% off, some are... Oh, this is a shade, my bad. Got these right here. These are 40% off right here. Janowski's, 30% off. Okay, the eye shots right here. What are these? They're down to $65, so almost 50% off, like 40% off, something like that. Okay, got SB blazers right here. These are 30% off. 30% off, 95. Okay. SB dunks though, pretty dope. Got a Shoe Palace right next to Topanga Social. Checking out some grade school deals right here. Green glows down to $90 already. Grade school exclusive colorways of these threes, $150. Got these ones down to $90, and then military blue in grade school, still got them. These also a grade school exclusive colorway. I've never seen this one. A mid right here. What the hell? They're doing yoga? What the hell? But yeah, these $120 for these. Still got preschool of these. They got the Venice Beach Kobe's right here. Austin shirts right here. Austin 316 shirts down to $10. $10 if you're a wrestling fan. That it really don't get cheaper than that. Oops, I didn't pick that up. And then got these going for $10 as well. We'll drive in a big old pickup truck. $10, dude. And do got the KD4 Weatherman. I don't think I've seen these too many other spots. I'm not the biggest fan of the Weatherman series. Like, I know they had these with the KDs. They also did them on the Kyries and stuff like that. I wasn't the biggest fan, you know, but it's something different. Do got these bad boys right here. $130 for these bad boys. Got some books right here too. These totally look like Air Force Ones that you can hoop in, but starting to see more and more of these. That's pretty dope, because these were selling out everywhere. Don't know the price. Okay, the one next to it does have a price tag. $140 for these. And it is buck leather. It does have some canvas on the side right here. Just no extra support on the sides and stuff. Does Booker just not have any side-to-side movement? What the hell's going on here? Colorway of dunks I've never seen before. Starting to get better leather, tumbled leather. I don't think this is an SC or anything. Maybe they're just using better leather, because all these other ones right here, just materials just hella trash. So maybe that's why, I don't know. But they have a lot of the classic colorways right here. You know, if you need to represent your school, got plenty of colorways. Leather hella mediocre though. Is it JD or JDsports.com? I don't know. All right, let's look around. Of course, I got to start with a reduced section, and got some deals. Got Air Max 270s. That's pretty dope to see those on sale. Everything's like, you know, $30, $40 off. Got some lows right here. Wow. These are women's $60 Jordans. Holy crap, Jordan 1 lows. I'm not the biggest fan of these, but $60, dude, that's just hella cheap. Mids going for $70. Are you serious? They only have one size left, but still, man. Those are women's, but they're pretty much men's sizes. On the other side, got Gazelles right here. Got 95s right here on sale. Pennies down to 100. We've been seeing that, right? Air Max 90s. 550s, pretty much everything on sale. Prices ain't too bad. You know, some things are cheap, some things have like, you know, like barely a sale. But yeah, $1.15 for these, $90 off for those bad boys right there. Vomeros down to $140, so $20 off for those. The Jordan 1 SEs, been seeing those mids right there on sale quite often. 906s. What the hell are these? Air Max 90s right here. So decent sale, $60. $60 for Witness 8s, not too bad. Not too bad. Then the last one right here, look at this, the Next Gens. This commemorates his first signature sneaker ever. Yeah, that's more, or a little less than 50% off, almost 50%. Wow, look at this, $85, $95 off. This is less than 50%. Holy crap, less than 50%. That is crazy. And that's a size 12, 10.5. Holy cow, that's for a Jordan 1 high OG. That is insane. Wow. Do got plenty of other things on sale. Air Force Ones right here. The, what is it? The Off-White Canary substitutes right here. Got Dunk Highs right here. They're only $20 off, but at least they're on discount. Remember how we weren't even able to find these a while back? $30 off for those, 15 for those, 20 or 35 for these. This is a dope color right here. And the grade school, or is this preschool? I don't know, but that's a dope colorway right here. Decent material, 65 down from 80. Tons of sales tax. Sales aren't crazy for most of their stuff, like 20, 30, $40 off, but at least everything's on sale. I remember when we couldn't find Jack on sale just not that long ago. And then this looks like it's a JD exclusive. This colorway is fire, dude. Little touch of University Blue, mostly black. Yeah, and then do got plenty of other things. Slight sales on them. All right, I think we're done, dude. I think we're done.